Welcome back to another video. In this video on Scratch, I will show you how to make a scrolling platformer. So what the scrolling platform contains is jumping, going side to side, spikes, and more levels. And also what this contains is wall jumping. So I will show you the code for how to do this. Well, no, I won't show you, because that'll take too long. I'll just make a game, make a scrolling platformer that looks like this. So, yeah, I'm not showing you anything, because I'm gonna do like time lapses and stuff because of like with the code and stuff. So, yeah, let's get into it. So let's just do this stuff before we do coding. So, just delete the sprite. Wait, no, never mind. I'll make my little character. So what I'll do is I will make him purple. I'll make. Wait, no. We have outline, so just click that. So I'm gonna make him just a random color. Boom, boom, boom. Right now. That's way too big. That is seriously humongous. So this is what my character is gonna look like, because I want him to actually be able to fall down the holes, or else this game would be way too easy. So I guess this is fine enough. Actually, no, I'll make him a bit bigger. Let's make this a bit. Okay, that should be good actually. So now let's use this tool and flatten him out. I'd say that's okay. So that's pretty decent. So then, what I'll do is yeah. So now I will make him some eyeballs, so I could just, you know. Okay, that's pretty big. That should be good. So now we can do that, and then do this, possibly make it a bit bigger, and then use this to make him a little smile. Dang it. I made this a backdrop, so. So this is our actual character here. So now let's get into the coding. So for the sprite only, X, and then for the sprite only, Y. So we have our variables here. So now let's get coding. Well, so I need to make something called level. Well, I know what it is. It's where you make another sprite and you call it level, and then yeah, I'll do the code for level later. So I'll just continue my coding for this. So we've hit another road bump. Well, not really, I know what to do. So what you do is you just go over here, and then, wait no. We have to make the dangerous part after we make a few levels. I'll just recreate it. Danger. Isn't really gonna help anything, but whatever. So what I have to, okay, so what I've done is I have like recreated my character because like I don't know about you, but I like this character better, and I also named him Player, so you know. So now I will be teaching how to do level. Well, not really teaching. It's pretty simple, so I'm not really going to go into a time lapse. Just gonna do it right in front of your eyeballs. So yeah, I'm doing this. Oh gosh, no. So I am doing this right here, and then get a forever block. Motion. Switch costume to level. And then it's when I receive next level, change the level by 1. So now that we have the level thing down, let's do danger. But first, for anybody who wants to do music in their game, I'll just delete that one actually. So if anybody wants to do music, this is how you do it. So what you do is you, well, I'm not going to show you the music. This is actually literally so simple. All you have to do is just do this. and then this. And you can just like import any of your recordings, any of your music, or like actually record your voice. And then once you've done that, you just go to sound, and then you'll do like, and then you'll do play sound, whatever, until done. So I'm not gonna actually show you a thing because of like copyright and stuff. So yeah. Now let's go into the level thing. When we click this, we just go infinitely like this. Like infinitely. So what we have to do to fix that is go to costumes here. Name this costume 1. And then let's just make like a nice looking kind of like brownish color. Yeah, it's good enough, I guess. And then let's make like a good green color. Wait, no. I'm always forgetting to click off, so let's do a nice green looking color here. You can do whatever colors you want. I just like doing this for the terrain. And so just keep in mind that if the player walks at this side of the screen, that means it will go to the next level. And in order to make a next level, just duplicate this and then start making your next level. But don't do that yet because we have to create danger. But just like do this real quick. Well, actually create your levels now, because if we go to sprite here, so once you've made your levels, or just, you don't have to make a lot, just make a few levels. Well, yeah, you can make however many long levels however many levels you want. So what I'm going to do is just, oh my gosh, I forgot about backdrop, so just go to backdrop here, click play. You see, you can name it whatever the heck you want. How to make a good background for like daytime and stuff is go over here, click this, and then make this like a bluish color, and then go over here and make it a kind of lighter blue color. So then when you do this, when you do this, looks like a nice little background. Yeah, but if I zoom out here, it's just pathetic. So all I have to do is just go over here and put it all around. Make sure it goes around the square so it'll look like that. So also bugs can occur. From what I've seen, bugs will occur because like yeah, that's what happens. Bugs will occur where you like get stuck in the ground or something. It's most commonly the glitch where you get stuck in the ground. Yeah, I know, it really sucks. So, yeah, and what I'll do right here is just make a little sun. Like that. Put it in the corner. We have a sun here. So now that we've made the backdrop, I see that my levels are to like that. So I'll just do this. And sometimes I feel like I'm doing I forget that I'm actually not doing a tutorial. Really? Because if I were, this would be a terrible tutorial. Because seriously, like, I don't know, just, yeah, I'll make a few levels and stuff. I'll make like 5 levels, so, yeah, and whenever you want to make another level, just right click and click duplicate. You have to do that, or else, like, the levels will just not cooperate with you. So, oh gosh. So, yeah, that's what you gotta do. You can copy my ideas if you want. I'm just creating a game. Well, you are too if you're following with this. But like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm just making a game. So, yeah. Right now, I duplicate it. So, double, but like, things like this, you have to separate the things a little bit more. But make sure the guy will land on the thing. So, just gotta separate them. I think that's good. So, 5th level. Wait, no. Bruh. Duplicate. So then, this next level, I'll make like, oh yeah, I remember. I made wall jumps. Why did I forget that? I have no idea. So let me just move this up here. Also, a good technique is if you go to the, like, painting a square, you can go to this thing, select the color, and then you'll get that exact color. You can also do this with any color you want. So I just told you that. So, banana. So, yeah. I am making my levels. And fine, I'll make it more sense and I'll put like color here. Fine. Just don't like making things sense. Making sense. I just don't like doing that. I bet I could just like jump over this, but whatever. So then, after you've made your levels, click duplicate and call it danger. Yeah, and then I'll call it danger. And I'll call it danger. And call level. So yeah, level, danger. So once you've done your danger, it's just a copy. Like, what's the point? Blah 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 blah. Well, I'm gonna tell you now. So what you have to do is just make the lines like a grayish color. Yes, I think that's good. So then I don't know if you could see this very well, but like connect the dots. I don't know if anybody knows what the heck that is. Just connect the dots and cut a line straight through the middle. Okay, that's good. So then once I've done that, I'll just get the gray here. Oh gosh. So then I'll just get the gray here. Oh, that's not good. I have to separate this. Okay, that's better. So if I just do that, and then make it darker and do it right here. Dang it. So if I can just garbage. So I'm just gonna do like never mind. I'll just my gosh, why isn't this separating? Alright. Alright. Okay, I need to make my spikes. My spikes. How do I make my spikes? I can't make my spikes. If I could just make a have triangles. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. To be honest to you, I don't know what I'm doing. Most of the time, I don't. Actually, no, I never know what I'm doing. So let's just crank it up to the. Oh yeah, and then it's very much darker. And then what I have to do with this one is then put it next to this one. I guess that's good. So now we have our little spike here. And now what we want to do is move our spike down to here. Yes. And just ignore that thing. So then I'll move my spike right. Wait, no. What you can also do is just highlight it, Control C, and then Control V, so you don't have to make the thing again. So I'll just add my spikies. And also make sure the spikes are possible. If they're not, that's bad. That is not good if they're not. Spikes. Okay. If they're like out of bounds or something. So now that you've got your spikes, 2. So now that you've added your spikes, now what you gotta do is, since this is a copy, erase all of the land, and all you have to do is just keep the spikes. Erase all of the land and just keep the spikes. And don't delete the spikes, just delete the land. Oh, smooth, haha. So then, delete. Delete. So now that you've gotten all these spiky spikes, there should just be icons of spikes and stuff. Yeah. So now that you've done that, you've done it. So then, I'm pretty sure you just made a game. I mean, I'm pretty sure I just made a game. Not you. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure I made the game now. Oh yeah, for coding of the spikes, trash it. That is disgusting. Get rid of that. No. No, 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 no. Nuh-uh. So now let's play the game. So if I just click this flag button here, boom. Also, when you click the flag button, if you added, yeah, if you add music, it'll play. So I can jump. It's working. Yes, but if I get spike, it kills me. It brings me to the back to the other level, and then boom, goes to the other level, and I can't do it. Trust yourself. Yes. Wall jump. And eek. No. Dang it. Yes, bugs like that will happen. And then it'll like eventually start you over in the game. But to make like an end screen like, you won, you're so stupid. Yeah, it just brings you back to level 1. So, to fix this, you'll just add a sprite. Add whatever you want. And then you'll add with the text. You won. Ba ba da ba ba da ba. And then once you've done that, you make it humongous. But the player has to be able to read. Yeah, because you can post these games if you want. It's possible. You won. Ba 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 da da. Code? We don't need no code. No, we seriously need no code because, like, you won, right? Whenever you're playing your game. So, yeah, actually, never mind, I'll delete that sprite. Oh, wait. I want to do lava. Just kidding, I don't. I'll put lava on this game. Music, nothing. So, yeah, I've made a game. Let's play it one last time. So, oof. Bum. Bum, bum. Bum, boom. Now I'm back to the game. Excuse me. That's gonna end the video. Bye. Click on one of these things that you will see on the screen right about now. Yeah, you know those little tiny icon things? They should pop up in a second if you don't see them already. Just like, you see it? You see it? Just, if you don't see them, too bad. Just click on one if you do. Yeah, do it. It's not hard.